Learning English with English faculties.
Hey there, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling the absolute biggest mistake in OET listening. Ever lost easy marks on multiple choice questions? Let's look at exactly why this trap catches almost everyone.
Here's the blunt truth. Candidates listen for exact words. Falling into this trap literally guarantees failure.
Whether it's a quick workplace chat or a long medical podcast, this format absolutely demands your focus.
So here's your golden rule. The correct answer is literally never spoken word for word in the recording.
See, hunting for exact words guarantees you'll fail. But listening for the underlying meaning, that secures your grade.
Success is all about getting the gist. Grasping the big picture, not just individual words.
The right choices will always summarize the speaker's main ideas using completely different English vocab.
So please, stop matching words. Instead, you gotta listen closely for the overall feeling and clinical context.
Okay, so how do we actually eliminate those tricky wrong answers and secure that grade B?
Well, this simple 3-step strikeout technique is going to help you safely find the correct answer.
Step 1, listen for the overall gist instead of desperately hunting for specific vocab on the page.
Step 2, actively cross out any options you hear are completely wrong or directly contradicted. Finally, step 3, verify that your remaining choice perfectly matches the true meaning of the conversation. Because honestly, the official handbook warns there are exactly 0 tricks to passing this test.
OET test true clinical communication. You gotta prove your real English proficiency, not your word matching skills.
So, since word matching guarantees failure, are you finally ready to ditch it and listen for meaning?